These are the dishes I do not want to do. The gloves. I'm doing gloves now. This is my stove. It is filled with dishes. They're clean though. My counter with some more dishes. It's not really that many. Ooh. There's my window I blocked off. Here's my microwave. It too is adorable. I don't know why I'm doing this. I'm just like being stupid. Ooh, it's looks really clean, kind of, except for that orange thing in the middle. Go team.